what is our timeline and what should I expect? After working with hundreds of sellers here in Pierce County and beyond, it's a question I get asked all the time. Hi, I'm Lindsay Jackman with Century 21 North Homes Realty and the Lindsay Jackman Group. First things first, we need to get your home ready to list. And we need to do that very thoughtfully. We cannot just slap the home on the MLS prior to having it in show-ready condition. That wouldn't be responsible. I can offer a few suggestions on things that you need to think about prior to actually letting buyers tour your home. So after we meet and you decide to list with me, I'm going to give you a contract to sign. Once we have an executed contract, then I'll schedule an appointment for our stager to come over and give you some recommendations on exactly what we can do to enhance the appearance of your home to get the maximum return on your investment. And if it's a vacant home, we're going to perform a full stage. Don't worry, that's of no additional cost to you, but it's absolutely essential. Do not let another agent tell you otherwise. We also offer partial staging if you're still currently living there and just need a few things. Once your home is in show-ready condition, then we're going to schedule our photographer and videographer to beautifully capture all the unique features of the home and the surrounding area. Once we have the pictures and videos, then we'll go to work on the back-end digital marketing so we can expose your home to the masses. This is one of the most important aspects of getting you the most amount of money for your home. As you can see, we don't just put up a sign and put it on the MLS. It's much more detailed than that. We have a very strategic, comprehensive digital marketing strategy that we utilize like no other. This involves running highly targeted ad campaigns across multiple social media platforms. Please know that just by posting your home on a Facebook page or a business page somewhere, only about 3% of people are actually seeing it. So we properly expose your home across multiple social media platforms to get those numbers way up. During this time, we're also going to be talking to you about whether or not you should have a pre-inspection performed prior to going onto the MLS. We'll also go over all the disclosures so that you can have these available for buyers to look at so they're fully aware of the condition of the home prior to making an offer. Don't worry, we go onto all the major sites like Zillow, Realtor.com, you name it, we're there. That's one of the benefits of working with a worldwide brand like Century 21. And me, of course. And now that we're live, you can expect agents to be calling me to arrange an appointment to take their clients through your home so that they can see it. The buyer's agent will accompany them through the home during that tour, so don't worry about that. Depending on the time of year and market conditions, that's going to determine how long it's going to take for your home to sell. But as I always say, the success is in the preparation. I'm Lindsay Jackman, helping you find your way home.